Welcome to this 10-minute Pilates Yoga Fusion class, focusing all on lower body stretches. This is going to be a wonderful routine that you can do before or after any Pilates class, or even right after cardio is another suggestion. Hi, my name is Beth, and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. If you're ready to get going with this lower body stretch routine, join me on the mat. Let's go ahead and begin on your hands and knees on your mat. Spread wide with your fingers, tuck the toes. And your next breath out, lift the hips up towards the ceiling, sinking into the heels of the feet. Now it's okay if the heels don't touch the mat. It's okay if your knees bend a little bit. You want this to feel positive for your body. Let the shoulders soften. Let the head release further down. And really press in to the hands more firmly so your arms become stronger to support you. Your next breath out, let the knees come down once again. Bring the hands directly underneath the shoulders and reach one leg long back behind you. Lift that long leg up. And as you exhale, round your spine, pull thigh in towards chest. Push the leg back to straight. And exhale, round, open up the spine. Push leg back to straight. Another time around. Push leg back to straight, and this time bring the knee in between the hands. Give yourself a step forward into a lunge position. Keep breathing, hands stay down, or bring your hands up on your thigh. Spine goes vertical, still breathing in and out. Again, option, reach your arms up towards the ceiling. Lengthen more, and maybe a small spine extension, lifting heart and your gaze up towards the ceiling. And bring your hands down onto the floor. Shift your weight back, front leg goes straighter, and now we're feeling a stretch through the back of the leg. Continue breathing in and out. Another deep breath. Let that front leg bend once again. Back knee can stay down, or option, tuck back toes. Lift knee up off the mat. So you're in a long lunge now. Whatever hand is towards the foot that's in front, reach that arm up towards the ceiling. Rotate through with your spine. Continue taking your deep breaths in and out. Another breath here. Square the shoulders, and now we're going to bring the back leg in towards the front. Bending both knees, having a seat. Cross and give your leg a hug. Sit up nice and tall, and you can keep your spine right where it is, or add rotation of your spine. I'm going to keep my spine center, no rotation. But you move with what's most beneficial for you right now. And just breathe into the hip. Maybe let that side sink down a little bit more. Another breath here. Very nice. Unwind. Bring your hands back down. Come back onto your knees. Tuck through the toes. And once again, lift hips up and back. Go back into that downward facing dog. Strong press with arms. Let your head release. Reach back and down with the heels. Then let your knees come down once again. Repeat same sequence, second side. Reach, second leg long. Exhale, pull leg in as you round through your spine. Push the leg back. Round through your spine, pull thigh in. One more time, push. Round and bend spine in. Extend through the leg, and now bring the leg between the hands. The fingers can stay down, or hands come up on to your front thigh. Continue breathing in and out. Hands stay where they are, or they can reach up to the ceiling. Grow in length and taller. If you'd like, give yourself that spine extension, lifting heart and gaze. Ceiling. Continue breathing. And bring yourself forward. Hands come down to the floor. Pivot your hips back. Front leg goes straighter. And breathe into the sensation into the back leg. Can you soften in the shoulders with the muscles in the face, chest, hips, back? Your next breath, bend your front leg. Your back knee stays down. Or once again, go to that long lunge position. Continue breathing in and out. You decide keep shoulders square or rotate towards that front thigh. Arm reaches towards the ceiling. Continue breathing in and out. Pelvis reaching down towards the floor. If your back leg is straight, it's strong and engaged. Your next breath, square the shoulders. Bring the back leg in towards the front. I'm going to face away from you, but we're still moving together. You can give that front leg a hug, keeping the spine in vertical position. You can add your rotation of the spine or keep your shoulders square. You decide. As you keep breathing, can you let your pelvis just soften and sink down a little bit more? No need to hold tension. A few more deep breaths here. And let yourself unwind once again. Hands come down. Front leg joins back on hands and knees. Tuck through your toes. Hips lift up and back once again. Strong arms, strong legs. Let the head release. In your next breath, come forward to your plank position. Maintain a plank even if your knees go down. And bend the elbows, lower all the way down onto the mat. Now press yourself up. So you're supporting yourself, hands and elbows. And you can stay here or push your arms to a straighter position and lower back down. So you stay still or you extend your spine a little bit more and lower down. We'll do one more time. Very nice. Lower all the way down now. Forehead rests onto one hand. Pull the opposite heel in towards you. Take hold of either maybe your pant leg or your ankle and take a stretch for front of the thigh, rolling your shoulder back. And still you're breathing in and out. And now maybe lift your thigh up a little bit, lower thigh down. Lift thigh up and down. And if the lift isn't happening today, that's okay. Or maybe you don't want to do the lift. Feels better just to hold the stretch. And extend through that leg, switch sides. So when you're ready, bend opposite leg. You can take hold of pant leg or of ankle. Find your breath, soften in the shoulders. And again, if you'd like, lift thigh up, lower down, lift leg up and down. Keep breathing. 2 more times. 2 and 1. Very nice. Extend the leg. Come back onto your forearms. You want this to be comfortable for your body. Reach and extend one arm in front of you. Open the arm around. You can tap the side of your leg. Reverse the arm. Replace, switch. Reach, circle, return. Now you can keep it here or reach, circle. The hand reaches behind the back. Unwind. So that last part is optional. If you're not wrapping the hand behind your back, you may complete a few more of these. Try to maintain strong legs, equal weight in the pelvis. We'll just do one last time. Very nice. Lower yourself down. And now press yourself back. Child's pose. Pelvis reaches to heels of the feet. Reach and extend arms long and stretch both arms over to one side, extending through side body stretch. Keep breathing in and out. Your next breath, come through center. Switch sides, reach and extend through side body. Pressing hands into floor to activate arms more. Let that head tumble forward. And press arms back to center. Inhale. Exhale, roll yourself up. And with that short session, hopefully you're feeling better in your body. If you are, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to keep moving with Pilates, check out the workout that's being shown right now.